you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
This one?
Yeah, close it, please.
What you running in here now? I've been watching you on YouTube.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I've been watching you.
No, it's all def bonds in and out. I got 9 30-15s in a 6th order designed by Hunter Martin. And I got about 20 mids and highs up front on all def bonds amps.
Yes, sir. Got it looking good too. Yeah, man.
I'll try to play something that will likely not copyright.
It's all good either way. I'll work it out.
Yeah.
One thing I know is I got a bird purpose, ready to fight. It's gonna be work.
Man, let me know where to follow you at.
You check me out on YouTube, Team808 Customs.
You got 2 channels or 1?
Just that one.
Just that one, okay.
I changed the name a little bit ago.
Okay. All right, y'all should give him a follow, man. It's good. Appreciate it. Good thing,
All right, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.